this is the same glass, same bottle, and this is cut, this is open. And I have put a U-tube-like thing and I insert it through this. Now this is a very interesting apparatus used everywhere. Now you see, I am going to pour water. Now when I pour water, let me tell you, this experiment concerned about the air pressure as well as water pressure. So when I pour water, you see the water has come to this. But if I pour more water, slightly more water, then you see the water will rise in the smaller tube. Why it will rise? Because this is open. So water will enter and push the air out. Now I am going gradually, I am filling it up. Gradually, as I pour water, more and more water is entering the shorter lip. How do you know? You cannot see with the camera, but from here I can see the water has come up to this level. Now still I pour water, nothing happens. Because the top of this tube is still above water. Now if I fill it up, then what will happen? This water will come to this point. So when it will come to this point, then it will start falling. Now you see it will not stop. It will continuously fall until it will come down below this point, because at this point air will enter, so this flow will be stopped. This is a very important device which is being used in many purposes. So now it has stopped because air has been introduced. Now how this is working, that I have explained in this figure. Now you can see when this is filled up to this, water has entered here. So as it is come over here, the water will be up to this. But when it here, then this thing happens. I have reversed it. That means water has come on this side up to the point C. Then what happened? Because of the weight, because of the G, it tried to come down because of the weight of the water. Actually, the figure has been inverted. Anyway, when this side is not water entering, this is water entering, but on the left I have made it entering. So now this water is here. As soon as it will start falling, there will be a partial vacuum at this point. And so long this partial vacuum will be there, it will continuously bring the water up, and in this the air pressure is acting here. So this air pressure will push the water through this, and when this water level will go down, then air will enter and this will stop. This is called a siphon. Actually, in many cases, we have seen that siphon is being used by mechanics to take out the petrol from the car, because they cannot overturn the car. That is not possible. So what they do, they push a pipe inside the petrol tank and they suck it. Though the sucking is not a good process, but by sucking, if they can brought the petrol below the level of the petrol tank, the petrol will automatically come up. So this siphon is a very interesting apparatus by which we can transfer from water from a higher level to a lower level. Now, I am going to show you another extension of this experiment. You see, I have another bottle. And in this bottle there is a test tube also. I am filling up this bottle here by water. There is no bend. I have put it up to this, nothing will happen. Unless it goes above this level, water will not come, but it will stop. Now how I can make this water come out without inverting the bottle? Then you see, this is the test tube. I simply drop it here and see water is coming out. How this is happening? This is a very interesting because this is a practical application of siphon we use every day in our house. Where do we use it? Can you tell? Just think about it. In our bathroom there is a cistern, and when you pull the cistern, water started flowing down. So this is a cistern principle. I am going to make you understand how this works. But this is a very interesting experiment where we can explain the principle of siphon. So now it has stopped, but this is filled up with water. If I take it out, the water will come out. Now, how this is happening, let me show. Now this is the cistern and this is the outlet. And there is a cup on it, which does very nicely. This is a cup, that means this part is a cylindrical part, and water is completely filled up. But there is no water here, because this part is firmly connected to the surface. The surface is so smoothly made that water does not allow the water to come inside it. Now, as soon as with the help of a chain we pull it up, then what happens? This pipe is up to this. So this water like this, just like this, as this water is going through this and coming down through this, it is another kind of siphon which go like this. So water suddenly, all the water from the cistern goes down. This pipe, so you see this water is coming through this, and this is also a two-dimensional siphon, so that this water can come through this. So this is an interesting modification to explain this.